Introducing bulk vendor check payments for Zoho Books. Simplify the way you print checks in Zoho Books by selecting multiple bills to quickly generate payments for each vendor. Do away with Zoho Books' default method of recording payments one bill at a time or one vendor at a time. Instead, send all of your open bills to one check per vendor with a single click, including those with multiple bills. Let's take a look. Here we are within the Bills module of our demo instance of Zoho Books. If I sort by the vendor name, I can see there are three bills here for vendor X, one for vendor Y, and one for vendor Z. I'll select all of these to pay them now. Using our custom Print Checks button, the app will create one payment per vendor using the check payment method, including those that had multiple bills. Let's take a look at the check for vendor X, who had three bills in that list. Here you can see all three bills have been paid on a single check. Zoho Books does allow you to pay multiple bills with a single check, but you must complete that task one vendor at a time. With bulk vendor check payments, you can select as many bills as you like from as many vendors as you'd like, and it will create a single check payment for each vendor. Access bulk vendor check payments today in the Zoho Marketplace.